officially at the blood drag. So many people here. We've already talked to so many people and it's been insane. Dagny's over here looking at the canard. She's using our artistic skills to get in there. We're set up back here in the corner. Basically, it's just a bunch of people who love cars. As you can see, we have everything popping here. We got merchandise. We have art. We're next to the booth, so it's really loud sometimes. It's funny. We got merchandise tonight. And then the station's back here. My dad is right now. He's manning it. We have our welcoming station here. My Jeep got stolen for the teddy bear. So Mr. Eddy, who's a part of the programming in here for the blood drag, also does the bears, so it's half off if you brought a bear, and there's a bunch of bears. And they go all the way into the back too. All the way back there. And then we have the merchandise table over here. We have our women's and men's t-shirts going from extra small to extra, extra large. Extra, extra, extra large. And the women's shirt, well, the more feminine shirt is here. We're masking, we got our stickers, our regular future cars. And this is our building system. We rebuilt 3 carbs here already on the floor. We've broken down 2. And we've sold a couple already. We've had a bunch of carburetors come in too. We built barrel, we have our Hollies, we have some quadrants, just kind of everything everywhere. We have some metal cross for sale, ranging from 1406s to some 7.1s. And we have our 1406s, and then we have an ABS 2 back there. We have some DQs, but we also have some show-ready cars. Basically, that's all it.
Hunt. Let's go.
falling